Hello, welcome in our geography session. We discuss a chapter second, population, part 2. In a first chapter, population part 1, we discuss the world distribution of population. Landman ratio, that is a density of population, is also we discuss in previous chapter. And the patterns of population distribution in the world is also vary from region to region, and there are the several factors which are the physical factors and human factors. They are responsible for that world distribution of population. And one demographic model is also important in the last chapter, which is totally depend on the birth rate and death rate as well as life expectancy of a region. Now in second chapter we discuss a next point which is related with the population, that is the components factor of a population, basic factors of a population. Population composition or the structure of population is totally depend on that points. Quality of a population in a region is also depend on the population composition. There are 5 types of composition factors are there. First, age structure is there. There are the major 3 age groups are there: children's, then young and old people. If young people, the number of young peoples or the proportion of young people or the adult people is high in a total population of a country, at that time that region is very important in a economical condition. The working population is higher, so the age structure is responsible for the development of economy of that area. So the children and old people is not are the burden on their economy of a region and burden on a working population. That's why when there is the proportion of working population, means the more than 15 to 60 years population is higher in any region, that country, that region is very important for economic development. Now sex composition, the ratio of male and female is there. So the sex composition is also very important in population. Some countries in the world, they have a higher sex ratio which is more than 1000, and some countries have a very less sex ratio. For example, European continent have a higher sex ratio and Asian continent have very less sex ratio is there. That's why it is also effect on the economical condition. The sex ratio is depend on a social, cultural and economical factor related with that region. Now literacy and education, it is also depend on the economy of a region, then infrastructure related with that region. It is directly affect on the high ratio of literacy and education. A literacy rate, if a literacy rate high in a region, at that time the skilled labor availability is also high in that region and it is supportive for the economic development. Then occupational structure is also important. If a maximum number of that region is related engage with the primary economic activities like agriculture, animal husbandry, fishing, mining. Such region is less developed. They are not economically developed. But a region which is engaged, a population in that region is engaged with the secondary, tertiary activities, such region is highly developed in economy. So occupational structure is also important part, or it is a form of population. Then rural urban composition, it is also one of the important and basic factor which is affecting on the population composition. Almost we observe the high density is related with the urban center and low density related with the rural center. There is also difference in between the sex ratio as well as age structure, literacy rate. Almost the urban center have a high literacy rate but less sex ratio. Then the aging structure about rural and urban. In an urban center we always observe the working population is higher than children and old population, but in a rural area we observe children and old people is there because of the number of people, number of young people are migrated from rural area to urban area for employment opportunities. In this way, this age structure, sex composition, literacy and education, occupational structure and rural urban compositions are directly affect on the population structure. That's why these factors are known as a composition factors of a population. First, that is the age structure. Age structure of a population refers to the number of people in a different age group. Such age groups like infants, children, then teenagers, young, adult and old people. So these are the three groups of population in each region. We explain a next part of this age structure with the help of different pyramids in a next video. That is a stationary, then constructive and expensive. With the help of this pyramid we discuss this age structure in detail. Okay, thank you.